If you're new to investing and think you need thousands of dollars to start, think again. In 2026, you can start building real wealth with less than $100. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are one of the easiest ways for beginners to invest because they let you buy a basket of stocks in one simple purchase. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ETFs under $100 that are perfect for beginners in the US. First up is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. This ETF tracks the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest companies in America. When you invest in VOO, you're basically investing in companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon all at once. It's low cost, diversified, and historically strong for long-term growth. If you want something stable and simple, this is a great starting point. Next is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. This ETF focuses on companies that pay consistent dividends. That means you're not just waiting for stock prices to go up. You're also earning passive income. For beginners who like the idea of steady cash flow along with growth, SCHD is a smart choice, especially in uncertain markets. The third ETF is the Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. This one tracks the NASDAQ 100, which includes major tech companies. It's more growth-focused and can be more volatile, but it also has higher upside potential. If you believe in technology and innovation shaping the future, QQQ gives you exposure to some of the biggest tech leaders in the world. At the end of the day, the best ETF depends on your goals. Want stability? Go with VOO. Want passive income? Consider SCHD. Want higher growth potential? Look at QQQ. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and think long-term. Even $50 or $100 invested today can grow significantly over time. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth step by step.